Hey you guys, it's Shirley and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So today we are doing a Walmart grocery haul. Everything that you see here was roughly about $60. I spent about $24. Jared spent about $32. So this is what we got. You can literally see that most of these are snacks, you guys, because we have so much meat. We have vegetables already in the refrigerator, and I'm literally not cooking anything this week. I'm literally not, because I'm working the 3 to 11 shift at work. So I'm literally going to wake up, eat breakfast and lunch, and then go to work. And then I think I'm going to eat like a sandwich or something for dinner. So there will not be a what's for dinner. Literally did not buy anything for dinner. So sorry you guys, but this is the Walmart grocery haul. Everybody loves it. Walmart is best. I love going there. We haven't done grocery pickup, but we should do that soon. Anyways, we are going to start over here. So we got some chocolate chip cookies. We got some ramen noodles. They're very bad for you. Don't buy them, but they're very addicting. We got some cinnamon rolls because I want to make this in the morning. Pecan swirls because I saw them and I had to grab them. Jared got the Funyuns, and then I got the Lay's Wavy Ranch for my sandwiches. We needed some milk. We got some Golden Grams, a plethora of drinks. We have a Sprite. For me, Jared wanted Coke, this energy drink, and this new Monster drink that just came out. We needed some new cheese. Jared picked up some potatoes and some apples because he's going to be fending for himself when I'm working this shift next week, or this coming up week. We needed some Easy Off to clean the ovens. I got some strawberries. Did I say I got an avocado? Because I got an avocado. They're like 78 cents. Jared picked up some cheese. He got his Kobe and Monterey Jack, and then regular Kobe. And then I got a newspaper for the coupons. Alright, you guys, so this is it. It's pretty cheap, $60 for all of this. And it's literally a snack attack. But anyways, I hope y'all have a great week. Let me know if y'all have any of these in your pantries right now. And let me know what you're going to be cooking for this busy week. And I hope y'all have a great one. See you later. Bye.